Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to pause recording in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu options. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open up the configuration window where you can customize various aspects of OBS, including the recording controls we need to adjust. In the settings window that appears, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories of options. Click on Hotkeys to access the keyboard shortcut settings. This section is where you can assign specific keys to control your recording without needing to click buttons manually, which is incredibly useful when you're in the middle of recording and want to maintain a smooth workflow. Now, scroll through the hotkeys list until you find the option labeled Start Recording. You'll notice a text field right beside it. Click on that text field to activate it. Then press the key you want to use as your shortcut. For example, you might press F1 on your keyboard. This key will now be assigned to start your recordings instantly whenever you press it, making the process much faster and more convenient. Next, look for the Stop Recording option just below. Click on the text field beside it in the same way you did before. Here, you'll assign another keyboard shortcut. For this example, you can also press F1. By using the same key for both starting and stopping, you create a simple toggle system where one button controls your entire recording process. This keeps things streamlined and easy to remember during live sessions. Once you've assigned your shortcuts, click Apply in the bottom right corner of the settings window. This saves your new hotkey configurations. After that, click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. Your new shortcuts are now active and ready to use. To test your new setup, try pressing F1 to start recording. You should see the recording indicator appear, showing that OBS is now capturing your screen. Once you're finished with your recording, press F1 again to stop it. The recording will end and your file will be saved automatically to your designated output folder. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, you can always manually click the Stop Recording button in the right panel of the OBS interface. This gives you flexibility in how you control your recordings based on your preference and workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.